Kerr introduces the Nexus RMGI, a paste resin modified glass ionomer luting cement. Kerr's Nexus RMGI utilizes the same Nexus technology that can be found in Kerr's Maxim Elite and NX3 dental cements, which provides the same ease of handling and cleanup that clinicians have come to expect from a Kerr cement. Nexus RMGI provides one-peel cleanup and optional tack cure capability, plus outstanding bond strength and durability, combined with enhanced aesthetics for consistent, predictable outcomes. The Nexus RMGI represents a fundamental shift in the adhesive performance of RMGIs. The use of our dual adhesive technology provides bond strengths that are significantly higher than that of a current high bond strength RMGI product. The inclusion of adhesive polymers and monomers delivers improved bond, flexural, and compressive strengths, resulting in enhanced marginal integrity. Nexus RMGI is a hybrid material that combines the chemistries and benefits of resin cement and glass ionomer cement. Nexus Technology's advanced initiator systems provide an optimal gel set profile, efficient dark cure mechanism, plus enhanced translucency and color stability, which translates into better predictability. One-peel excess cement removal is possible after waiting for gel state or tack curing. The Nexus Technology's proprietary redox initiator system provides optimum translucency and great color stability during storage on the shelf, as well as during curing and post-curing. The system contains a substituted hydroperoxide that prevents staining and further enhances the aesthetics of the cement, even when the Nexus RMGI is soaked in coffee. Through an exclusive combination of premium features, Nexus RMGI additionally provides ultra-low film thickness to ensure excellent marginal fit, increased radiopacity, sustained fluoride release, true automix syringe delivery, allowing the cement to be easily dispensed while ensuring proper mixing and delivering the precise amount of material. For more information on the Nexus RMGI, please visit our website or phone 800-KERR-123.